Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a little bit. Well, you probably can't tell because I just pre-film my videos and stuff like that, but I have been taking a break. I've just been so busy, like life has been a lot, work, school, like everything. I had to like catch up on work and all that. So yeah, I've just been trying to chill and get my stuff together before I continue to film and everything, because I hate being stressed and filming and trying to make content and stuff. But I am back. I think I'm back. I've been resting all week and chilling at home and catching up on shows, like normal stuff that I never do because I've been so busy with work. I don't know why people are still getting installs. Like, there's nowhere to go. It's a pandemic, but I'm still busy and I'm not complaining, but I'm just surprised. So yeah, I'm just trying to get back to normal and everything. I do have like a couple wigs that have been waiting for me, and I've been pushing back on like doing reviews and stuff, but I am gonna catch up. And I did say that I want to make more like different types of content, and I will. The apartment tour is coming. I just want like everything to be together. I'm still waiting on like a dresser. I don't know what happened, but IKEA is sold out of dressers, and everywhere else that I go is out of dressers, like the kind that I want, and I just want that to be done. And certain things that are not done in the house, I've just been, running around and trying to get it together. But once I feel like comfortable and ready to do my apartment tour, I will. And it's really not that special. Like, I hope you guys are not expecting like some glamorous penthouse or something. It's just, my first apartment, and you guys want to see, so I'll show y'all soon. I did ask you guys like to send me some of like your dilemmas on Instagram and stuff, and I have a few that I do want to talk about. So I'm just going to be giving you like my 2 cents, what I would do in your situations, and just help you, give you some advice. So that's coming soon as well. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. So for today's video, I'm reviewing this highlighted wig from Nadula hair. I've worked with Nadula before, and they're always really nice, and they always send me like good quality hair. I had like a really nice like black body wave wig in the summer from them, and also like a highlighted wig that was pretty similar to this in the summer, and those were awesome. Like, everyone was obsessed, and I loved them too. So this time they sent me a 13x4 lace front wig, and it's a bob, and it's already highlighted. They said 13x4, but it's pretty deep. I would call this a 13x6. Like, it goes deeper than this, and this was really easy to install. I just wanted to show you guys more like how the hair looks and stuff, not really the install. All I did was use Got2b and glue it on, just to show you guys how easy bobs are. Like, with bobs, you don't have to do too much if you don't want like edges or anything. Like, I don't have any, and the flaps on the sides are not glued, but who's gonna see it? Like, I don't see anybody pulling up like that. So with bobs, this is how I like to wear them. And yeah, if you guys would like to see a little review on this wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so what I did to my hair is I kind of sleeked it back, and I did like the 2 braids. It's really messy, but like just 2 braids, and I crisscrossed them so it could be really flat. With bobs, I really don't wear them like for too long, so I don't really need it to be like all the way flat, but this is still flat and it still works. So this is another way to do it. Let me show y'all the hair. Here's the hair. It's kind of like that trendy highlighted like wig that was really popular like in the summer and everything, but in a bob. And I don't believe I've tried anything like this before, so it's really cute. And you can see the lace. I would say it's transparent lace, but it kind of has a tint to it, so I don't have to put too much like foundation or anything. But I'll show you like in comparison to my forehead how it looks and stuff, so you guys can judge like whether you need darker lace or not. Here is the box, and in the box was the wig, a wig cap, and I think these are scarves to tie. I think scarves. Okay, so I'm gonna take the wig cap that they provided, and I am not gonna do the wig cap method, like the bald look. I don't feel like you need it for wigs that are this color, just because your scalp doesn't really show that much. Like, I'll show you what I mean, but when it's a black like bob, you're gonna see your scalp, like the contrast is gonna be there. So with those, I highly recommend doing like the wig cap method. But I honestly haven't worn a wig in well, for me it's so long, maybe like 3 weeks. I feel like it's been 3 weeks. It's been a while, and I've just not been, like, I haven't been in the mood to wear wigs. I've just been rocking my hair. Okay, so that much will do. And I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks. So it's just like a regular 13 by 6 frontal. It goes all the way there and has some combs and a little elastic so you guys can make it tighter or looser. It's cute. It's different, but it's cute. I actually like it. One thing I would have done, honestly, is, or actually what I recommend for you guys as well, especially if you're darker, but also for lighter skin tones, it just looks better. But you see how the roots are? I would recommend making the roots a bit darker. Darker roots look better with like this color. Like when it's warmer highlights, I just like dark roots better. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to show you guys how it actually looks straight out the box. It pretty much does match my skin, so I don't have to put any like foundation or anything. I do like it when it's a bit lighter, but I can still work with this, so that's no problem. And I'm just gonna cut the ear flaps. So by that, I mean, okay, let me show you guys. You see how it's lace? The lace is like sewed on. Okay, it's so weird to explain because like I know the difference, but it's hard to explain to other people. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut like where my ears would go, and I'm just gonna cut like where the lace and the actual wig part meet. So I'm gonna cut about like an inch on each side. You guys can like cut more if needed, and you cut less. I mean, you can't cut less, but like just go with smaller sections. It feels weird to be back like filming. Like I haven't filmed for a while. It's been for a while for me, just because I've been so busy and I've had all these wigs piled up waiting to be filmed. So I'm gonna try my best to get them all done. Okay, so I cut like that. This was over here, but just cut it right now. And I'm actually also gonna cut the lace because I am gonna be gluing it with got2b, and I don't like cutting after the got2b is dry, so I'm gonna cut the lace off right now. And I haven't plucked anything. The wig is pretty pre-plucked. Like the frontal's pretty low density, so I do like it, and you don't really have to pluck it. So I'm just cutting the extra lace off. Okay, so I've cut all the lace, and I'm just gonna hide the black. Okay, like that. Okay, this is a bit too light, so I'm gonna take Toffee. It pretty much matches my skin pretty well, and just darken it up right here. Just this part, because I'm only gonna wear it as a middle part. I don't think I'm gonna glue the ear flaps down, honestly. Or am I? Actually, I'm gonna cut a bit. So I'm just continuing like up that line that I already started cutting on. These types of wigs are really good to do like deep side parts because the lace goes all the way. Okay, I'm just gonna glue right here. So this is pretty much what I do when I wanna wear a wig for a picture or video or something and I don't wanna do too much. This is exactly how I do it. I just make sure whatever is gonna be seen looks good. The rest is okay. I'm not gonna put this up or anything, so no one's gonna see it. All right, now I'm gonna take my got2b. I want you guys to like comment below what other types of gels do you guys like to use. I do want to try different kinds and not just got2b, just to see if there's anything better out there. There probably is. But yeah, let me know what you guys like. I get really messy with the gel just because it's clear. Alright, now I'm going to blow dry and make the gel a little sticky, and then I'll put the lace on. Okay, that should be good. And I'm just pressing everything that I want glued down just onto the gel. honestly that simple. It's already so flat too, like I don't have to do anything. I'm just gonna straighten it and you guys can watch me do that. So while I'm waiting for my straightener to heat up, and I recommend that you guys straighten your wigs at like 390 Fahrenheit and then see if you need to go higher. But if you just start off like super high, sometimes it like kind of sticks together, so just be careful. I'm gonna take my concealer in Toffee and just put it where my middle part would be. So the lace is a little dark for me, but it works if I do it this way. If I was doing like baby hairs and everything, I feel like you could definitely tell that it's too dark for me, but this way it just looks like hair starting right there and you wouldn't really think that it's too dark. And like I said, the hair came out like pretty nice, honestly. It didn't come like frizzy or anything. Straightening this is actually going to be so easy. I'm going to show y'all. And I like to bump the ends. Okay, the bump didn't really work, but I'll show you on the end. Just make sure you have like a comb and then just chase the comb. The thing with bobs is that like it's not you can't just wake up and it's gonna look good. You have to straighten your bobs like every day or else it's not gonna look good, because bobs tend to get frizzy. Oh, without they tend to like bend and everything when you sleep. So now I'm just gonna add a little bump the ends. Okay, that's a little too bumped. Is it for Miss Bobbiana. It's a little too flat for me right here. Just going to tease it. And boom. And that was super easy, but it looks hella cute. I like it. Very nice. I just wish I did darker roots, but that I can fix and I could do. I just want to show you guys how easy it is and how the color looks. This is from Nadula hair, like I said. So if you guys are looking for a highlighted wig, not too highlighted, but you know, still gives you that 2000s, 90s type of vibe, I do recommend this wig. And I would also say get like a higher density if you want that thick look, because this one is a bit thin, so it gives you more like that natural look and you don't have to do too much. These wigs come really flat and very straight and everything, and you guys can just do what I did in this video, quick and easy install, but you still get really nice results. That is pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this bob. Would you guys wear it? Make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. I will try to get back into my regular posts. I've just been going through some stuff and I feel like I'm ready to come back and post more and stuff. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.